morning. Welcome to my vlog. Happy Monday everyone. I'm here in Lolo WTC. I just need to buy what I need to cook today. Sick. There. I need to come home right away because it's already 10. Maybe the kids is already awake. I'm gonna cook vegetable today. So I'm buying vegetable. What I need to cook for my cook. What I need for my cooking today. Just come here to buy. See. Have a nice day everyone. It's Monday today. It's first day of office in school.